No one here. It's the way we like it. We are in the Blackhead Wilderness Range in the Northern Catskills. It's a Friday, baby, and I'm not at work. Whoa. What the hell is that line? That's a little scary. What is up with that? We're on the bottom of the mountain. So when we get to the peak, I didn't bring my kite, but it might be a good thing. It should be interesting. A notoriously windy mountain to begin with. Listen to that. That's where we're going, folks. Yonder. Shout out to the bridge builders. What a beautiful spot that is, huh? Big flat rock. Time to get the engine pumping. We're going to Lockwood Gap up to Blackhead Mountain. But we'll come down yellow. This one will not be short of outstanding views. So I'm excited about that. The Blackhead Mountain, which I've hiked this one numerous times. I don't have a video of it. I wanna jam it with you. Just dropping. I don't know if you can see it, but little flakes just dropping. Here we go. Let's do it. See that? Look at that, son. We're coming for you, son. We are coming. There's Black Dome up there. We are not going to Black Dome. When we get up here, we're gonna actually go up that way to Blackhead. That's where we're going, up there. There she blows. Boop. Blackhead is officially in the house. There's our mountain behind us. Got another switchback coming up here. Help out with the elevation climb. That's where we're going. And then we'll walk down the other side of it. Look at that sun peeking out. This is why we do it. Wow. Just take that in. Whoa. So here we are. One side we have Blackhead Mountain, and the other side up there is Black Dome Mountain, separated by this sweet little col right here. Blackhead this way. This is where the fun begins. It's starting to talk to me, the mountain. It's starting to make noise. Alright, we're getting into the trees. Hopefully break some of this wind. To see what's on the peak of Blackhead Mountain in the Catskills. Here it is. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, and I hope you like jamming. Just make note, that way goes towards Arizona Mountain. This side of the mountain is a whole different ballgame. There's the top of Blackhead behind me. Had a malfunctioning gator. That thing's off. Kind of done with steep icy spots. Beautiful snow, look at that. Beautiful. Just a different vibe up here. The wind is not letting up today. We're going to be hanging a left here and we're going to Batavia Lean-To. Checking out the Lean-To. No tree cutting. You know, I was planning on cutting some trees today, but sign says I can't. Here it is. So here we are at our Lean-To. That's where you're going to look at if you're going to stay here. There's your fire pit. This is pretty deep. The more you expand that quiet space inside you, the more you can see the beloved and others and everything. Then the less you feel you need to take
for your own selfish desires, and true peace settles over you, and you become love.
And there she blows. And that's where we were. Moved my boy Mad Mike to the front seat. I got a new buddy, a new hiking buddy, Mad Mike. Early morning tracks. Only person up, only person down. Other people still laying in bed, sleeping it off, sleeping life off. That's beautiful. It's Friday and I'm not working. Cool me. So that's it. Blackhead Mountain in the Catskills. Look at this. Empty lot still. That's how we do. That's how we do. Boom. What are you so angry about, dude?